we have questions. Okay, our first question is write a program to check whether a number entered is three digit number or not. Okay, so how you can check using Python that the entered number is three digit number or not? Can you tell me? Hello.
Uh, we have to check if a number is three-digit number or
No,
not.
no, no, no. You have to do it on yourself. No cheating. Okay, first let me tell you. Okay, then you should try on your own.
Wait, so you're asking me how?
I'm just asking that do you have any idea how you can do this?
Not really.
Not really, no? Fine, no issue. See, see, there are a lot of methods. Okay, so you have to remember basic thing that how. Wait, just how? What is that? One more. Okay, let me explain. So, do you know what a three-digit number is? Which has three digits? Simply, hello.
Hello?
Yes, I am saying a three digit number is a number which has three digits, correct? Like, and from where three digit number starts? It starts from 100 and it is until 999, correct? Yes or no?
Correct.
If we take a random number, suppose we have taken 512, it also has three digits. But how you will check? How you can say that it has three digit numbers? So basically, if you are able to count these digits, or there is a way, okay, one thing tell me that this is ones place, this is tens place, this is thousand place, no, sorry, hundreds place. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So can you tell me that on moving from ones to tens, what how much you are increasing? You are going 10 times, correct? This is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds. So you are increasing 10 times, correct? From moving
Yeah.
to tens to 100 place, you are moving 10 times. Okay, okay, not in that manner. Okay, see, this is 2, this is simply 2, then this is 20. So 20 is 10 times bigger than 22 or not? No, this is
Yeah.
this is 2. Then if I apply 20 0 here, then it has what it is, what it has become 20, which is 10 times of 22. Then if I again put a 0 here, then what it is again what it is again 10 times of what it was previously, means it is 10 times of 20. So whenever you a digit is increasing, the number is becoming 10 times, correct? That's why it is ones, then tens, then hundreds, means each digit is 10 times more than the previous one. All right. Hello. Hello. Okay, one direct method, let me show you. Is my voice audible to you? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Are you getting my
Oh,
voice?
yeah, I
Yes or
am.
no?
I'm not even going on mute.
No, no, don't go to don't. See, uh, if I have 512, just divide it by 10. What you will get? Divide it by 10. What you will get? You will get 512, 51, sorry. And what it will be? Equals to 510. And you will get remainder 2. Correct? No, not just by times directly, but go step by step. If I divide it, then what I will get? It will go 5 times, then here is 50, then what? Here is 1. Okay, as a remainder. Then we will take down this 2, then what? Then here we have, we can also again divide it one time. So here is 50, And since we can do it one time, we will have 10, and what we will be having remainder 2. So what you are seeing here, if we try to divide a integer or a number by 10, dividing by 10, then what we are getting, 2. Goes not 2, we are getting this last digit eliminated. This is what 51. 51 is a form of 512 in which this digit has been got eliminated, and what digit is got eliminated, which is coming in the remainder. So if you find 512 remainder after dividing 10, then you will get the last digit which you have deleted. Hello, hello, is my voice not coming to you
Hello?
guys? Are you getting what I am explaining?
Kind of.
Okay, okay. So do you know that okay, okay, let me explain you in another manner. Okay, this is 1. Okay, this is 21. Okay, and this is 521. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So when you write 1, then you are having how many digits? You are having only one digit. One digit. Yes. Then if I have to make it 21, then what? There is a tens place or not? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, means you are having 10 digit. Then if I'm again putting here a digit, what is, suppose 1 I have to. So now we are having hundreds place, this is tens place, this is ones place. So if I consider only this digit, then what, it is one singular. And if I consider this one on this digit, then what, it is at 10 times more. It is uh, if you uh, if you are seeing, then this is tens digit, which is 10 times of the previous digit, not this value, but its place. Place once tens hundreds. Okay, the simple thing, always remember that whenever you divide a number by 10, then what, the remainder, whatever remainder is coming, it is the last digit, and what is the quotient is coming, it is the remaining digits of the number after removing the last digit. Okay, this can be remembered or not by you.
Yes, I can.
Yeah. So remember this trick. Okay. Again. So now how many digits you have eliminated? One digit. So we can say that yeah, it is having one digit. It is having, but we are not sure that is it having further more digits or not. So for that purpose, what we do, we just see that is this number, this quotient has become zero or not. So your answer is no. It is not. It has not become zero till now. So what you will do, you will again take this one and you will again divide it by 10. Now what you will get, you will get quotient as 5, and after remainder, what you will get, you will get it as 1. So what you can say, that now the next digit whatever is there, yeah, it has one digit, but the last digit is 2. So now next digit is 1, the digit which you have deleted is 1. So now another digit is here. So we can now say that it has two digits. You can say it has two digits. Now what you are having 5. Now you will divide 5 by 10. So if you will try to divide it by 10, then it will give 0 0.5. But in integer, I have already told you that it does not support 0, sorry, point. So what it will do, it will discard the content after the decimal. Okay, so now you will get 0. And what is the remainder? What is the remainder? If you divide 5 by 10, the remainder is itself 5. Okay, hello.
Yes.
Okay, so now how many digits you are having? You are having this, and this. So in total you are having three digits, correct? So you can say, and now the number has become zero. You always have to choose this one. You always have to pick this one. Now it, since it has become zero, then you don't have any digits left. You just have extracted this one. See, you are having 2, 1 and 5, and you have just extracted these three. So now you don't have any. So how many digits you have extracted? Three digits, correct?
Yes.
So each time you are dividing by 10. Each time you are dividing by 10, you are dividing by 10, then you are dividing by 10, then you are dividing by 10. Okay, each time you are doing. So if I directly divide it by 10 into 10 into 10, means all these are in denominators. So will I get same result or not?
Yes.
If you are
No.
no, I know. See, if you are having what 100 rupees note, if I divide it by 10 each time, then at first, if I will divide by 10, how much I will be left with? 10. Again, if I will divide it by 10, I will be left with 1. Again, if I will divide it by 10, then I will be left with 0. So but we have to consider till 1. Okay, so instead of dividing it by 10 and 10 1 and 2 times, if I divide it by directly 10 into 10, that is 100, then also I can get 1 or not? Hello.
Hello.
If I want to divide a certain number, okay, by a certain number several times, so instead of dividing it by several times, I can just simply write like this also. Suppose I have to divide 100 by I divided 100 by 10, then what I will get? 10. Then again I divided it by 10, then I got what? 1. But if I will directly divide this, no, instead of dividing two times, if I write like this, then also I will get 1 or not. So whenever you have
Go about Mushka.
hello.
Yeah. My sister is in the room, guys. Give me 1 second. Okay, I came back.
Okay, fine. Okay, so have you understood? Instead of dividing 100 by 10 each time, you can also directly divide it by how many times you have divided. So since it is 100 by 10, you can do what? You can write like this: by 10 by 10. You can divide it by 10. See, if you divide it like by 10, now again 5 by 12 by 10 means remainder by 10. So instead of dividing two times, you can just simply divide it by 110. Both results will be same, both will be 5. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So how many times we need to divide in order to delete all the digits? Since it has three digits, so we have to divide it by 1,000 times. Okay, since it is asking that we have check whether it has three digits or not, so what we will do, we will write the number and then we will divide it by tens power number of digit. So tens power 3, so what it is? Tens power 3, what it is? It is 1000. Yes or no? And if we divide
Yes.
512 by 1000, then it will give what? 0.512. Since in the floor value, if you are using floor operator, then it will discard this part and you will be having only 0 left. So what it will do, it will tell that yes, it is containing 3 digits. Yes or no? Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. And one another method, you have what? See, sometimes there may be only two digits. Suppose you have only 51 and you are dividing it by 1000. Again you are getting, what, this 0. Okay, this time also you are getting 0, but it is 0, but it's not 3 digit, it's only 2 digit number. So it will create error, like what, you are having 2 digit number but it is giving true that yeah, it is 3 digit number. So to avoid this kind of error, we do what, we use loop will do what loop will do this thing for us, means it will divide the number 512 each time by 10. Suppose it has divided it first, it has divided it by 10, then what we have got, 51. Now 51, we will check that this is what, 0 or not. If it is not 0, then again we will divide. And yes, we have a counter also which will count how many times it has been divided. See here, it has divided, so we will do counter as 1. Okay, initially we have counter as 0 because initially we are considering that there is no digits, but since we will move further, then move ahead, then we will get some digits. Okay, so we will increase this counter. So suppose we have increased this counter, so it has got to 1. Then again if we divide it by 10, okay, then what, yeah, it is again dividing. So we will move counter this after adding 1 to 2. Then what we are having, 5, again divided by 10. So now we are getting 0, but it has been divided, it has divided correctly. So we will move counter to 3 after adding 1 to the previous one. Now since it has 0, then we have to stop it. Now if the counter is getting 3, then yes, absolutely it has 3 digit number. But suppose it was having only this 51 and we are dividing it by 10. So one time, then 5 by 10, then now 2 times, now we are getting 0. So it will stop at 2. So it will indicate that it is not a 3 digit number, it is only 2 digit number. Understood or not? If not, then let me show you code, then you can understand. Okay, let us code. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, getting or not?
Yeah.
Okay, see, first you have to take input a number. Okay, so let us take number as n equals to int integer number. You have to input enter r suppose we have written this. Then see, now it will take input as a number. Now what I have told you, you have to take a counter which will count how many digits you have deleted. So since a number if a number is having 2 digits, then we will be only able to delete 2 digit numbers, 2 digits only. If a number is 1 digit, then we will be able to 1 digit only. Yes or no? We can delete
Yes.
as much as whatever we have. Yes or no? So now suppose counter is 0. Okay, wait, my keyboard is not working. What is, okay, counter equals to 0. We will initialize counter equals to 0. Why? Because okay, wait, I will tell you. Okay, now we have to apply the logic that until a number is not 0. So we are having two types of loops. One, there is for loop for doing repetitive process. See, this is a repetitive process. Yes or no? You are doing the same thing, you are dividing it by 10, then processing it further, you are dividing it by 10, processing it further, and again dividing it by 10 and processing it further. Yes or no? You are doing this or not, again and again.
Yes.
Yes. So for that, whenever we are going to repeat same kind of process, we are having loops, we are having for loop, and we are having while loop. Okay, so now we have to decide that which loop we want to take. So if what, see, if we will take for loop, then for loop says that you should have finite number of divisions. But here, yes, we are having finite number of divisions, like you only have to check three digits or not. But what I have told you, if you get two digit number, then what? So you don't have any confirmed number of digits. Okay, suppose I have given you five digits number, then what will happen? So you have to keep a general case. Okay, and while loop says that no matter what is the general case, the condition must be satisfied. So we will be using while, and while will teach what? See, we will write while, then what is condition? What was the condition? The condition was until the number is greater than 0, means it has not become 0 or less than 0. You have to perform the same task, means divided 10. So what we can write? Until the number is greater than 0, we have to perform a task. What is that? We have to make n equals to n divided by 10. Yes or no? And we have to increase counter by 1. And then what we will be having? See, since we have to check whether it is a three digit number or not, so what we will do? We will check if counter equals to 3. Why we will check? See, if counter will become 3, means it has only 3 digits. If you are having 2 digits, then counter will become 2, but you have to check for 3 digit number. So what will do? It will just give you false. Okay. So we have to print true. Okay, but what if it is not 3 digit number, means else? So simply you have to print false. False means it is not a 3 digit number. Okay, see, suppose if I try to print, if I have entered a number 51521, see, false. Why it is giving false? Counter equals to 0. Okay, n equals to n divided by 10. Okay, okay. We have to use floor division. Okay, now then 512 Yeah, it is true. Why? Because it is having three digit number. Again, suppose I have run this program and I have entered 65. See, it is false. Why false? Because it is not three digit number. Correct?
Eh,
Okay. One thing.
yes, sorry.
One thing.
I was trying to be.
One thing. If you want to print that how many digit number it was, then also you can use this. You can just simply print this counter. Okay, it will tell that yes, it was, if it was three digit, then how many numbers, how many digit it has counted, and if it is not three digit, then also how many digits. So suppose if I run this 564, see, true, and the number of digits it has counted 3. Now if I run for 62, then okay, false, and the number of digits 2. But what if I enter any random number? So it has calculated 6 digit, and it has. So basic concept is you have to divide the number by floor division. See, this is floor division operator. Why floor division? You have to discard the last digit. Means if you are dividing a number by 10, then you are getting two things. One, what? You are getting a remainder, and one thing was you are getting a quotient. So if I divide 512 by 10, then you will get quotient as 51.2. But since we have to discard this last digit, this portion, so in order to discard this after decimal, you use this double slash floor division. Floor division do what? It just convert it into floor value, or simply just it remove this decimal point. Okay, hello, hello,
Hello?
got it or not? If not, please let me know.
Yes.
So okay, now do this question on your own. Present your screen and do it on your own. I'm looking. Please present.
I can't present somehow.
Why?
It's asking for this permission.
What type of permission?
It's saying like you go into settings and allow. Wait, let me try. Give me one moment. Let me ask my dad, Papa to help me. Wait.